we doing today?
Racing.
Oh, I thought we were just laying in the grass.
Well, that's what I'm doing today.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jeffy's Speed Shop. We're out here at Kil-Kare in Xenia, Ohio. A really nice track, really nice setup out here. Not a huge fan of the way that they're running things. It's super slow. We've been here since like 10:45. Still haven't made a pass. It's not organized at all. So they cut us down from one-time run to two-time runs, or wait, no, the other way around. From two-time runs to one-time run because they're running so slow. So we're doing great, but that's fine. We're gonna get out here. We're gonna at least get a couple passes in today and see what it does. Just gonna let her eat on a 100 shot and, you know, make sure bottle pressure's good. So yeah, stick around. Some racing content coming your way. All right, guys, getting ready for our first and only time run here. Let's see what it does. Oh, that was badass! Thank you. With a shitload of wheel spin, 1167 at 119. Holy shit! Oh, that was awesome. So it spun really hard on left lane. It ran an 1167 at 119. The 60 foot was only a 185 because it spun so bad. But you know, it's picking up quite a bit from where it used to actually run on motor. I know it has a lot more in it. But as of right now, spinning, it shaved almost a full second off of my ET with just adding 100 shot of nitrous and a tune on the Holly. So I mean, this is exciting. I'm in a great mood. Like, I was shaking when I came around. I forgot, like, dude, I was wearing my race suit, sweating my balls off, my phone's buzzing in my pocket. It was great. So hopefully I can work on that reaction time in a matter of 2 seconds when we get ready to actually go up and race. You know, I just gotta make it better, because look at that reaction time, 3:288. That is terrible, guys. Sorry if it's a little shaky. I'm still so pumped. Like, for the first pass in this car, I was hoping the track conditions would be a little bit better, but that's okay. So when round one comes up, we'll get you there and we'll check back in. Guys, knocked out in round one. Damn it! Spun real f***ing hard. Spun real hard on that one. Shoo! Well, we tried. That's the important part. Came out in round one and she done. That's all right. spun so hard we only ran 1190 that pass. That was terrible. I also red lit like a motherfucker. I went way too early. That's why I lost. I could have probably hunted him down. Damn it. It's way too hot to buy back though, guys. I think it's gonna be a little short video. But we got some data. That's the important part. Yeah, this rate suit, I'll tell him talk to you guys. We were right lane on that pass. Sorry, still a little shaky. Always get shaky after I run. 189 60 foot, so that was terrible. 330, 508, so definitely slower. We were picking up a lot of mile an hour at the end. Like she was pulling like a freight train, but we still only ran 1190. I red lit like a mofacky. Actually, just barely. 0352, yeah, so. I don't know. I mean, I didn't do that great. That's all right. This is a learning process. I got to get back into it. I haven't bracket raced in like probably 10 to 12 years, honestly. So we're out here getting data. That's the fun part. The car's running 11s. I'm going to shut the bottle off, go watch a little racing, get you guys a little more action. Then we'll catch up with you at home, get back to the shop, do a little damage report, pull some plugs, things like that. Hey, we're back in the shop. And hokey silly dilly dokio, I'm an idiot.
Up on up. Hokey silly dilly dokio, I'm an idiot. Yeah, that's true.
I forgot that companies that we used to be able to trust no longer make a product worth a damn. So I was wondering why this thing wouldn't launch worth a crap. As you saw, it spun real hard. I've had Lakewoods in my cars for a long time. They were in the car for probably 8-9 years before I even had to think about one leaking. Fronts are still okay. It still transfers weight. And then I'm unloading the car and I noticed a spot on the trailer. And I'm not sure how well you can see that. This shock is absolutely saturated. I just installed these last year. This is really the first launches, like, you know, at National Trails when it was running crappy, and then this weekend. This one's like dry. That one is no bueno and moist. And, you know, so, all right. Oh, God, I was lazy. I didn't take down the pavilion either. So, yeah, anyways, we're working under that so we don't get rained on in the shop. But, yeah, you know, so I'm not buying another set of Lakewoods, guys. It's just, that's what it comes down to, is what I'm trying to tell you. Basically, nope, no more. Before our next outing, I'm at least going to get some QA1 adjustables for the rear, double adjustables. Not that I know what I'm doing there, but there's absolutely no reason the car should 60 foot that bad and spin that much. When I have the two-step set at 38 and the nitrous doesn't come on until like 4, this car used to come out of the hole at $5,000. And it would just launch and go. So at any rate, there's that. We're going to pull a spark plug out, see how that looks. Anyways, spark plug looks pretty darn good. You know, I don't think I'm going to pull the rest of them. I'll probably pull them all out, clean them all up, you know. They're not looking bad at all, especially for, you know, nitrous stuff. The tip's not burnt. Looking pretty good there. And it's not terrible on timing either. You can see how high it comes up the strap maybe. I don't know if it'll, yeah, whatever. So yeah. All in all, I think we're looking pretty good here for our first, you know, nitrous runs and everything like that. Again, I'm going to get some QA1s for the back of this thing. And the front, I'm going to leave the 9010s in it right now because they're okay. They're not leaking anyways. And then a few weeks after that, we'll get some fronts double adjustables. which can be ran as coilovers or non-coilovers, and I'm not going to run them as coilovers just yet because I still have like stock K-member and everything in there, and I kind of want to stay away from doing coilover. I want to stay stock spring location on this car as much as I possibly can. So we'll just see how it works, you know. But 185 60 foots or whatever that time slip says in the truck, it's just not cutting it, boys and girls. It's just not. So yeah, other than that, the car fared very well. It's not leaking anything aside from shock fluid. Clutch held up, transmission held up, the nitrous worked. I couldn't ask for more. We still ran an 1167, which is just great, but I know it has more in it, especially with only a 100 shot. Like, I know this car can do better. So, do better. I don't think that worked. Appreciate you guys tuning in. I will catch you on the next episode of Jeffy's Speed Shop, where we do speedy stuff and things. And